Oyster mushrooms with garlic, ginger and garlic, and butter fried. So I've got this oyster mushrooms. So instead of washing, I'm just wiping it them with a wet paper towel, and then frying it in butter. So the mushrooms are all wiped up. Now on a pan, add the butter, 2 tablespoons butter, and when the butter melts, you put the mushrooms in the pan in one layer and fry it, and then flip it over on the other side. Now here I've got spring onion. I've cut diagonally here, and this is thyme, rosemary, and about 3 cloves garlic, crushed garlic, 1 small onion chopped, parsley chopped, and ginger, minced ginger. So I'll fry the mushroom. So fry them in batches if required, and I fried one side. Now I'm frying the other side, and then I'll remove it. Add more butter and fry the rest of the mushrooms. This the same pan, the butter, add the crushed garlic and the onion, and fry it for about a minute. Now add the minced ginger and fry for 30 seconds, and then add the mushrooms. Adding the mushrooms and the spring onion, the thyme, rosemary, and I'll fry it, mix and fry. Rock salt and crushed pepper. I'm going to add this, and parsley. Mix and fry. Now add, this is chili pepper, optional. If you want, you can add it. So about half to 3/4 teaspoon. Now fry for a minute and put it off. You have oyster mushrooms with chili, garlic, ginger.